Respect. When discussing Islam with non-Muslims, one should always show respect and never resort to insults. The only way people will understand the true peaceful message of Islam is if they observe the pleasant attitude of a Muslim spreading the word of Islam. The evidence a Muslim presence should be strong, yet the language they use should be soft. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 125.
Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best.
The Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, requested the aid of his brother, the Holy Prophet Harun, peace be upon him, in order to spread the word of Allah, the Exalted, to Pharaoh and his people. He desired this as the Holy Prophet Harun, peace be upon him, was more fluent and gentle in speech. If the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, requested this specific quality, then why do some today reject it when they try spreading the word of Islam? Chapter 28 Al-Qasas, verse 34.
And my brother Aaron is more fluent than me in tongue, so send him with me as support verifying me. Indeed, I fear that they will deny me.
When Muslims adopt the opposite characteristic mentioned in the earlier verse, it only tarnishes Islam's reputation and pushes people further away from Islam. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.